to record desktop audio in OBS Studio. Recording desktop audio on OBS is a built-in feature. Open OBS Studio on your device. At the bottom, you will see different kind of sections. Navigate to the audio mixer section. Here you will see two kind of audios. One is desktop audio and the other one is mic. You will see a volume sidebar right here. You can adjust the volume to record desktop audio. If this feature is not available on your OBS, then don't worry. At the very right corner, click on Settings. Now a menu like this will open. On the left panel, go to Audio. Now on the section Global Audio Devices, you will see Desktop Audio. Make sure that you have selected Default. Click on it to select Options. Just make sure that it is not disabled. After selecting Default, click on Apply and save it. And that's how you will get desktop audio in your audio mixer section. If you want to record your mic audio, you can increase the volume of the mic. That's all for today. Thank you.